Hey guys, this is Subhash Mangalam, corporate digital marketing trainer and consultant. I take classroom sessions online and also take corporate sessions. I've handled Genpact and IBM, some other company sessions. And recently, I wanted to start a crash course for working professionals. Many working professionals are inquiring me to start the crash course. That's the reason I want to launch this crash course. Maybe by 26th, I'm starting daily 2 hours for 1 week. The sessions will be there. Okay. So you will be getting the complete knowledge on the digital marketing with this 1 week overview. At the same time, I will be giving my all videos lifetime so that by seeing that, you can learn the course. So 1 week interactive session will be there where every day 2 hours will be discussing about all the platforms. Let me show you the curriculum, what you're going to learn. Initially, I'll be teaching you designing, like what is domain and hosting, how to buy them, and who are the providers, and what is the coding and non-coding. Here, you'll be learning the non-coding part and how to create website with the WordPress. This is the initial part. So after this, people who enroll for the course, you are the perfect developers. Even though you don't have any coding, you can create websites. Mark my words. Next, once you have a website, how to do branding and how to do marketing for the website also you're going to learn with the techniques like search engine optimization, like free of cost, how to make your website on top. Search engine marketing means like a Google ads, how to show your ad on the website, YouTube, mobile app. Social media optimization, so how to do branding for your product on social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, for free of cost. You might have seen paid ads on social media. So how to do that? How to get more followers on Instagram, how to get more subscribers on YouTube by paid marketing you'll be learning. At the same time, you'll be learning how to get more traffic through email marketing. So branding and marketing you'll be learning. Next, web analytics. Once you have a website and marketing, a lot of traffic is coming to your website. How traffic is coming from Google, how much time they're spending time, where they are quitting, what is the bounce rate, how much money we have spent, and what are the conversions. This, with the help of Google Analytics, I'm going to explain you. And after that, I'll be teaching you sessions where you will learn how to make money online with the help of blogging. So select a proper niche like a movie blog, technology, fashion, travel. With that, you can make money. How to start your YouTube channel and make money with that. How to do affiliate marketing, how to do drop shipping business, how to get the freelancing works. And after that, how to get the clients, that to US and UK clients, how to get it. This is also I'm teaching you. So you're already working apart from without quitting a job, how to do all these things so that it will be a more income for you. So sometimes your job is not good. Maybe this will save you. Whenever this income is dominating your job, you can quit and you can settle as a blogger or YouTuber and the remaining things. At the same time, I will teach you how to start online business without getting a job, how to earn money, how to start your first online business, how e-commerce works, and how to sell your products online, and which industries are good for online business also. You're going to learn. So it's a very good topic actually. You might know that these days e-commerce industry is booming anyway. Most of the people spending time on online websites, the purchasing from Amazon, Flipkart. At the time, how to start your store, how I work with my clients, my US clients, what are their statistics, how much they're making money, I will show with you. So complete benefit of this course is you will gain knowledge on digital marketing. These days, wherever you go, you might have seen digital marketing. So you'll be getting a knowledge on digital marketing. You will learn how to create website and how to make websites on top and how to run Google Ads and how to do branding on social media. And you can launch your own business online. You learn the art of making money online. Okay. So at the end of this course, so what you're going to get with this course? So you will be getting a live interacting session by me and 1 week program. This is every day 2 hours and lifetime videos backup will be given to you. and 1 year doubts clarification from our support team. Now you started working on your business, you're getting some doubts, you can get clarification from support team. And lifetime help for your business. Now you have many questions in the once you launch the business, those kind of questions also are going to help you. Finally, course completion certificate will be given to you. So what is the course fee? See guys, as of now, classroom training is working 40 to 50,000. Online training also with charging around 20 plus. But here for this crash course plus my lifetime videos, I'm just charging 9,500 rupees. And this is a crash course, of course, but full course videos will be given to you. And doubt clarification session for 1 year. So if you want to enroll, this is the number. Call us and enroll today. So yes, as I said, my name is Subhash Mangalam, and this is my website. Even you can enroll over here, or else you can call the business. Okay. So that's it, guys. I'm looking forward as a working professionals. Yes, you want to grow more. So always learning the new technology is always good. And digital marketing is not a course. This is one segment. Okay. Definitely, this is a booming segment. Down the line, 20 years, if you see the graph is me, initially, I started my career as a customer support executive. Now, as a trainer and consultant, I'm earning a lot of money. So I will show all my real world experience so that you can also start from your end. Okay. Looking forward for you. Thank you very much.